Okay, today we're going to be working on my Echo 500P. Um, it's kind of running a little rough. I got a carb kit to go in it. I was wanting to ask y'all about this first, see what y'all's thoughts was. I picked up this T435 the other day, and I got it what I thought was cheap, but and I knew that the clutch got hot. It melted the side cover, you know. But I didn't realize how much this was. This is like $110. So it needs a new clutch. The clutch is burned up on it. That's $30. And the worm gear, the oil and worm gear is toast. So it needs one of those. So basically I'm looking at what? $170 plus tax and shipping. So you add that to what I paid for the saw, I'm getting pretty close to what I bought the saw for, or what I could buy a brand new saw for. I don't know, they don't make no aftermarket parts for none of this. Thought put it out there and see if anybody else knew what would somebody else do. But anyway, let's get to rebuilding this carb. Okay, we got the Echo 500P here. What it'll do, it'll crank, it'll run, but you have to stay on the gas the whole time. Keep it running. And it don't want to go full throttle. So I ordered some parts from Saw again, a Walbro rebuild kit. I did replace the impulse line here. I kind of saw a few little cracks in that line, and thought maybe that would fix it, but it didn't. So let's go ahead and take this carb off. Pull our impulse line off. Pull this out. See if we can get our choke cable undone and our come on. I should have opened the fuel tank up. Okay, let's open our carb kit up here. Make sure we got all the parts and it's the right thing. Saw again. Actually wrote me a thank you on there. They're not sponsored or nothing. Yep. This is replaces Walbro K27 WAT. So let's comes with all the goodies. Let's start with the impulse side here first. As you can see, the inside of this looks really clean. This is my truck saw. Even the screen, it came with a new screen. This screen is in here is good. Let's see. We need this. That's much more better. We're not going to change that screen out. And get it to stay in the right place. Quit moving around. I'll stick that screen. Gotta keep that little screen because I need it for later. All right, we got the impulse side done. Put this to the side. Okay. You get a bigger. You got it. Okay, this kit did not come with a new spring. So we'll have to reuse our old spring. It takes this right here. This here can be a little tedious and aggravating. I think I got it. Alrighty, I finally got it in there. Let's put a diaphragm in. Alrighty. Now I'm just gonna bag this stuff back up. Get our lines hooked back up. Okay, next we're gonna hook up the throttle cable. And get to it. There it is. Next will be the choke lever. Get in there. There it is. Alright, let's crank it up and see if it's gonna run right. We may have to adjust the carburetor. Okay, I finally got it back on there and got the carb adjusted out right. It's aggravating to get to those adjuster screws without a long screwdriver. I was trying my steel, and then I was trying this, and it just wouldn't quite get on there. So I had to go get a longer screwdriver. But I'll set it up over here and acting like the belt's got an air leak. This is a brake clean test. Now the theory is if it's got an air leak, the brake clean will flood it out. Try the other side. Low idle instead of low high. Now it takes so long to quit spinning. Let's adjust that down a little bit. I believe I'm gonna leave it right there for now. I mean, I've never been really that happy with this saw. It's one reason it stays in the truck. But let's clean it up and throw it back in the truck, I guess. Thanks for watching.